So we are at what? We are at vector scalar product, scalar product, scalar product or dot product, dot product. Okay. So scalar product or dot product, if there are two vectors, vector A and vector B. Okay. So making an angle theta. Take then how we can write the dot product? Vector dot vector B equals to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, cos of angle between them, cos of theta. Okay. So this will give you what? This will give you the what your dot product. Okay. Suppose two vectors are like this. Vector A is say xi cap plus y j cap. Then vector B is say you can x1 I cap, y1 j cap. So x2 I cap plus y2 j cap. Okay. If angle between them is, if theta is given, say some angle between them is say theta, then what you have to do? You have to find the magnitude of A. So magnitude of A will be what? Root of x1 square plus y1 square. Then magnitude of B is what? Root of x2 square plus y2 square. Then theta is already there, so you can find the A dot vector A dot vector B is equals to magnitude of vector A. This is what going to be magnitude of vector A. I am not writing this one, so simply I am writing magnitude of B cos of theta. If you do this much, you can just substitute over here. This is what x1 square plus y1 square, then multiply by root of x2 square plus y2 square, then multiply cos of angle between them. You will get the A dot B. But what you will get here? You will get magnitude of A dot B, magnitude of A dot B, or you can say if theta is given, you will get always magnitude only because it is going to be a scalar. So if theta is given, it is okay. If theta is not given, then it's a problem. You have to multiply these two directly. X1 into I1 is okay. What about I cap into J cap? It is a problem. So for that we should know what is the dot product of unit vectors separately. So that we will discuss now. Okay. So dot product of the unit vectors. So I will take x along this direction. So here I will take y. Okay. So this is going to be y. So y I will take over here, and here I will take z. This is what y, x, y, z. I have taken 3. Now tell me what is unit vector along x? Unit vector along x is I cap. What is unit vector along y? Unit vector along y is j cap. And unit vector along z is what? It is k cap. Okay. I hope you know all these things: I cap, j cap, and k cap. These are the what? These are the unit vectors along x, y, z. Okay. So what are the magnitude of unit vectors? Magnitude of I cap equals to magnitude of j cap equals to magnitude of k cap is equals to what? 1. Why? Because they are unit vectors. Unit vector is what? Vector having the magnitude equals to 1. Okay. So this is what we got. Now we will see what we will get if I multiply I with j, or if I multiply I with k, or if I multiply j with I. Okay. So that we will see. So first one, what I will do? I will take I cap dot I cap. Okay. So if this is the x, one I cap is already there. I will take another also I cap only. So another means that is also I cap only. So if this is the case, if this is the case, what you want? I cap dot I cap. What will be the I cap dot I cap? Magnitude of I cap, then magnitude of I cap, then cos of angle between them. Both are in same direction. What is the angle between them? 0. So cos 0. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 1. Cos of 0 is what? That is also 1. So I cap dot I cap is going to be what? 1. Getting the point? I cap dot I cap is always going to be 1. Then what about j cap dot j cap? Means I will take both along this direction only. So this is j cap and another is also going to be j cap only. Okay. So what is j cap dot j cap? J cap dot j cap is going to be magnitude of j cap, magnitude of j cap, cos of, what is angle between them? Both are in same direction, means going to be 0 only. So j cap dot j cap is what? 1, 1, again it is 1. So j cap dot j cap is what? 1. J cap dot j cap is 1. Then what about k? So this is what k cap, and another also I will take along this direction only, another k cap. So k cap dot k cap, okay, magnitude of k cap, magnitude of k cap, what is angle between them is 0. So this is also going to be what? 1. So k cap dot k cap is also what? Going to be 1. So what we got is, so I cap dot I cap equals to j cap dot j cap equals to k cap dot k cap is always equals to 1. Remember this point. Okay. When you multiply a unit vector with the same unit vector, answer will be 1. Okay. Means dot product of unit vectors or same unit vectors is going to be what? It is going to be 1. Okay. Remember, very important. Now what I will do? I will multiply I cap with j cap. Okay. So I cap is here and j cap is here. What is angle between them? Angle between them is 90 degree. Okay. So now I cap dot j cap is equals to magnitude of I cap, magnitude of j cap, cos of, what is angle between them? Angle between them is 90 degree. Angle between them is 90 degree. So I cap dot j cap is, magnitude of I cap is 1, magnitude of j cap is 1. What is cos of 90 degree? Cos of 90 degree, as we know, it is 0. Okay. So this is going to be 0. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 0 is 0. So I cap dot j cap is going to be 0. Remember, I cap dot I cap is 1. I cap dot j cap is going to be 0. Okay. So similarly, if you try with what j cap versus k cap. Okay, this is j cap and this is k cap. What is angle between them? Angle between them is again 90 degree. So j cap dot k cap is equals to magnitude of j cap, magnitude of k cap, cos of 90 degree. So this is also going to be what? 0. So j cap dot k cap is also going to be 0. Then k cap dot I cap. What will be the k cap dot I cap? Okay. So this is what your k cap. Then this is what your I cap. So what is the angle between them? Again, angle between them is 90 degrees. So what you can write? K cap dot I cap is equal to magnitude of k cap, magnitude of I cap, cos of 90 degree. Cos of 90 is what? 0. So k cap dot I cap, k cap dot I cap is going to be what? 0. So one more line, what I can write? I can write it as I cap dot j cap is equals to j cap dot k cap is equals to k cap dot I cap is equals to 0. Remember these two, very important. Okay. So what are those two? I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap, k cap dot k cap. These all are going to be what? These all are going to be 1 because cos 0 is what? 1. So one more we got set, that is what? I cap dot j cap and j cap dot k cap or k cap dot I cap. Okay. So this is going to be what? This is going to be 0. Very important. So if same unit vectors are you are taking dot product, you will get 1. If you are taking perpendicular unit vectors, so you will get it as what? You will get it as 0. I dot j cap or j dot I cap is going to be what? 0, because angle is going to be 90 only. Okay, cos of minus theta is going to be what? Again cos theta. Okay, so remember, this is very important. So I am going to use this in many problems. So try to remember that one. Instead of remembering, as you know the basic formula, a dot b equals to ab cos theta. Apply whatever they give, aj or jk, whatever, you will get the answer. We got interesting result over there. I cap dot I cap equals to j cap dot j cap equals to k cap dot k cap equals to 1. I cap dot j cap equals to j cap dot k cap equals to k cap dot I cap equals to 0. Okay, so this will help us to find the dot product of two vectors when theta angle is not given. Suppose vector A is given like ax I cap plus ay j cap, general I am talking. So vector B is given like bx I cap plus by j cap. Okay, so theta is not given. What do you want to find? You want to find vector A dot b, vector A dot vector b. So right, vector A dot, you can do like that. You can find magnitude of A, magnitude of B, but cos of theta is required, but theta is not given, so you can't go with that one. Now you take ax I cap plus ay j cap dot bx, vector b is what? bx I cap plus by j cap. Okay, now you have to multiply this as usual your algebra. Okay, multiply your multiplication rules. So first multiply with this one, ax into bx I cap dot I cap. Okay, so ax bx, what you got was I cap dot I cap. Here also I, here also I. Try to understand this properly. Plus now ax with by. ax by, I cap is here, but here j cap. Okay, so I cap dot j cap. Okay, next plus this one ay bx, j cap dot I cap. Okay, so j cap dot I cap plus next ay into by, j cap dot j cap. So ay by j cap dot j cap. Then you may ask me, then why you are not applying the dot to ax bx? Because they are magnitudes, you can just multiply. Vectors should be go with what? Dot product if you want to multiply, but these are magnitude ax bx. Vector symbol is not there. Okay, so we have to take dot only for the vectors. Now ax bx I will write. What is I dot I cap dot I cap? I cap dot I cap is going to be 1. Okay, so 1 plus ax by I cap dot j cap. I cap dot j cap is going to be 0. Okay, plus ay bx j cap dot I cap. I cap dot j cap or j cap dot I cap, both are making what? 90 degree only, so that is also going to be what? 0 plus ay by equals to j cap dot j cap. What is j cap dot j cap? J cap dot j cap is going to be 1, so this is what going to be 1. So now ax bx multiply 1, so ax bx multiply 1, so you will get ax bx only. Ax by multiply 0, so this is going to be what? 0 plus ay bx multiply by 0, so this is going to be what? 0 plus ay by multiply by 1, so ay by. That's all. So what you got answer was ax bx plus ay by. So that is what the answer for vector A dot vector B. Vector A dot vector B is going to be ax bx ay by. What you can conclude here is you can multiply directly with those quantities which are along same axis. These two are along what? These two are along the axis, so you can multiply these two. these two along the what? Y, you can multiply those two. So that is why in the resultant you are getting components along the same, and you are not getting any I cap or j cap, because it should not be vector, it should be a scalar. So these all are what? Scalar. So answer is going to be what? Scalar. Okay. So this is what the very very important. So directly multiply ax bx, ay by. That's all. Your work is going to be done. So for example, if I take an example, suppose if I take an example, say vector a equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, and vector b equals to, so 3 I cap plus 2 j cap. Okay. So you can directly multiply 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. Okay, you will get some 12. But I will do with this process only. Let me do with this process only. We will see. So vector a dot vector b equals to, so 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus, sorry, multi dot, this is what? 3 I cap plus 2 j cap. Okay. So now 2 into 3, this one, 2 into 3. So what you will get? You will get 6 I dot I. Let me write I dot I plus 2 into 2, okay, 4. Then what you will get? I dot j plus 3 into 3, 9. So what is that? J dot I. So plus this one is what? 3 into 2, 6. So this is what? J dot j. Okay. So 6 I dot I is what? 1. No problem. 4 into j dot j is what? 0. So 4 into 0 plus 9 into j dot I is what? That is also 0 plus 6 into j dot j is what? 1. So what will you get? So what will you get? So these two are going to be 0. So 6 plus, that is 6, equals to 12. Equals to 12. So that is what? A dot B. So no need to do all this process, because directly we got only problem. So we got solution only. Ax bx, ay by. So directly multiply ax bx. This is what ax and this is what bx. Yes or no? I cap is there, means they are along the x. So 2 into 3, 6. So multiply ay by. These two are what? Ay by. So 3 into 2, 6. Answer will get 12 directly. So no need to follow all this process. In one line you can get the answer. This is also 12. This is also 12. You are not getting any I cap, j cap, k cap. Means it is a scalar. We should get a scalar only, because we are doing scalar product or dot product. Okay. So like this you can do an example, or you can take many examples. Like you take a vector a equals to, say you can take some I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Vector b equals to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k. Okay, these are two vectors. So you can follow the usual procedure, check whether you will get it or not, or otherwise if we do it in general, what we will get is vector a equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Then vector b equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, so now a dot b, what it will become? A dot b will become ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, so based on this result I am writing this one. Okay, I don't know whether I will get this or not. That you have to do yourself. That you have to prove. You have to take these two a and b and prove that its dot product is ax bx, ay by, az bz. So with the help of what? With help of this procedure. Follow this procedure for all three and prove that a dot b is what? Ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Once you prove that one, go with this. So directly you can multiply, or you can again proceed with the as usual general procedure. Okay. So try to do this one, and you have to give me this result. Okay, what is you have to do it, then call to that number which is below that video. So take my number, then send me the answer if you are doing what seriously. Okay, so try to do that one, that is required to make it perfect. Okay. Question may arise like that. Suppose, sir, if we have like this, if A is like AX I cap and AY J cap, okay? So AX I cap and AY J cap. But B is having only BX I cap. Sir, how to do in this case? Angle to not give. So how to do in this case? Okay. So if this is the case, one thing remember, you just follow the normal method, you will get answer whatever may be the kind of the vectors. Okay. Suppose what you have to do, A dot B. So AX I cap plus AY J cap dot BX. What is that? I cap. It may be J cap also, it may be K cap also. Okay. No need to worry about that. Okay. So now multiply as usual. AX BX. AX BX I dot I, okay, I cap dot I cap, I cap dot I cap plus. So next no value means no need to multiply next. Okay, now take this one AY BX, but it is J cap dot I cap. Okay, so AX BX I dot I is what? 1. So AY BX, but J dot I is what? 0. So this is going to be what? 0. So your answer will be what? Only AX BX. So A dot B is going to be only AX BX. Okay. So which is the common in both? That is going to be answer. Suppose A is AX I cap plus AY J cap. And your B is, it is just, you can say it is BY J. Okay, BY J. BX is not there. BX is not there means leave that one. So your vector A dot B will become, simply you can multiply AY BY. That's all. Which is common. That is going to be there. So this is going to be what? I dot J is going to be what? 0 again. I dot J is going to be 0. You can do like this. Again you will get what? AY BY. Okay, you have to do. You just take AX and BX, take dot product, take wherever I dot I will come, J dot I will come. You find the values. You will get what? AY BY. Okay. So these kind of questions may arise. For example, suppose you are having X and Y axis. Okay. So these are the what? X and Y axis. Now here you are having the roller. Okay. So that roller example is very important. So for example, you are applying force in this direction because you have to pull this. So you are applying force in this direction. How much force you are applying? You are applying I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. Force is applying in this direction, but theta you don't know. So how much displacement will take place? Roller will come from here to here. Okay, so it is moving from here to here. How much distance it is moving? It is moving for a distance of say 4. Okay, 4 is displacement. Okay, 4 is what? Displacement, but it is not vector. So if you want to write vector, what you have to do? It is along what? It is along x-axis. So along x-axis means here it is going to be what? Z. So if it is along x-axis means what is the unit vector along x-axis? I cap. So this is what I cap. So these all things they are going to give you. They are going to give direct vector. So this is what displacement. So they will give like this. F is equals to I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap, and displacement x is equals to what? 4 I cap. Okay. So now what they will ask? They will ask you to find the work done. Work done is what? Work done is force into displacement. Work done is what? Force into displacement. Or you can simply say dot product of F and X. Work done. Work done is what? Force into distance or displacement. f dot d. Okay, no need to worry about this one, that we will study later. So as of now, what you want to find? You want to find f dot x. They are asking to find vector f dot x. As of now, you remember that one. Actually, f dot x will give you what? That will give you the work done, force into displacement. F dot x. So f is what? I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot 4 I cap. So as we know, j dot I will become 0 because 90 degree, k dot I will become 0 because 90 degree, but I dot I will not become 0. So 1 into 4 into I cap. So this is what going to be 4. So f dot x is going to be what? That is going to be 4. Okay, this is going to be your answer. They may give displacement along this also. They may give 4k cap also. If they give 4k cap, answer will be what? 4 into 3, 12. Okay, so we have to concentrate on the what? We have to concentrate on the unit vector. So that will give you the what? That will give you the result. Okay, so please do some practice on this one. You will be understand easily. Okay.